everybody. Farming with Mike here. This is how you shift gears on a semi. All the times that you shift gears is done by RPMs and the throttle pedal. To take it in and out of gear, you use your clutch, obviously. Come to a complete stop here. Here. Give it some throttle. Pull through it. This lever right here is for your high gears. And this right here is for your split on your high gears. Push it forward, it splits into the high side of that gear. Pull it back, and that's the low side of the gear. You use your pedal to make that shift. When you let off the pedal, it shifts in or out of gear, depending upon which way you're going. If you're downshifting and so forth and so on. That is how you shift gears on a semi. It's all done by your throttle. No clutch to shift besides taking it in and out of gear. You want to shift roughly, I shift anywhere between 1,300 and 1,400 RPMs. Your low side gears, first through fifth, you can, when you're empty, you can shift at a lot lower RPM than what you normally would if you were loaded. So that is how you do it. Thanks for watching.